Hello everyone, welcome in Cool IT Help. Guys, this is a new tutorial for you. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code and how you can set up the Java environment inside it for the development. Guys, before proceeding, I have a request. If you think this video is useful for you, so guys, please like this video and share with your friends as well. Also, please subscribe my channel for the new upcoming videos on my channel and press the notification bell icon so you will get the latest video updates on time. So first of all, what is Visual Studio Code? This is a basic question of this tutorial. Okay, so use of Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a very lightweight, powerful source code editor. So this is the IDE. So as we have a IDE, .NET IDE, and we have Eclipse IDE, in the same way we have a Visual Studio Code IDE, and it runs on the desktop, and it is available for the Windows version, Mac OS version, and Linux version as well. So guys, we have a lots of editors. So why it is different from the others? So it is different because it has a feature. If you install it by default, it will provide you the support for the JavaScript, TypeScript, and Node.js, and you have nothing to do, only just download and install the base version. Okay guys, also if you want to work with the other languages, you want to do some development with the other language, so it provides you a functionality by adding some extensions for that languages. So it will support C++, C Sharp, Java, Python, PHP, and Go development. Also, you can include the useful runtime environment like .NET and Unity if you are a game developer and you want to develop some game inside it. So guys, in short, I would like to say Visual Studio Code is a one-stop solution for all kind of developers. So just install it and your development environment will be ready in very easy manner. So I will first show you how to download and install it and how you can prepare this for the Java development. So in this tutorial I will show you all these things. So guys, first of all, you have to open your favorite browser and just type Visual Studio Code and press enter, and you will see the search results inside the Google, and the first link here you have to click. Okay, and once you click, you will be redirected to the official page of the Visual Studio Code. Here we have a lots of download links. One is on the right hand side and one is in the middle, but I will tell you the very shortcut step, so you don't need to worry about anything, any extension. So everything will be in an integrated package, and you have to download and install only that one. So here on that page, on the left hand side, we have to click here on this Java link, and then you just select first link and click on it, and you will see this page. So this is the page designed for the Java developers, and the direction is given how you can set up the installer. Okay, and they have given a standalone exe that will do everything on your behalf. So guys, this is the blue link. When you download and the exe and you will click the exe, so the first window will appear here. It will detect automatically what requirement you need and how many components are installed in your machine and how many it needs to be installed on your machine. So such kind of window will appear. So at this page, you guys just click on this blue big button. Okay, so on the left hand side you can see one exe is downloaded. Okay, now we will click on this exe to launch the installer. Once you click, and this installer window will appear, and here where you can see the install Visual Studio Java pack, and some instruction is mentioned, and it has some link like license agreement, terms and conditions. And if you want to read more, guys, you can click on these links and you can read more. Okay, in the last there's a checkbox that you are agree with all these agreements and you are going to install it, so we have to check it, and then we will press on the next button. Then you will see this window. Here it is automatically detected that in my machine the required development kit 8 is already installed and Visual Studio Code is not installed, and other dependencies also found. And suppose in case you are trying to install, and so in your machine that will detect and show you how many items is already there and how many needs to be installed. Okay, and this is action checklist will appear. First it will download Visual Studio Code binary, and then it will install that binary in your machine, and then it comes to install the Java extensions. That means it will make your environment ready for the Java development. Okay, and then it will configure rest of the things for Java extensions. So all these action items will be displayed here. In your case, these items can be more or less, depends on what is your system configuration, how many components are there already. So now we click on this install button. Once you click, you can see the first activity is started, and it is downloading the Visual Studio Code. So the downloading time depends on your internet speed, guys. If you have a good speed, so it will not take much time, otherwise you have to wait. Okay, in my case it is downloaded. Now it is installing the Visual Studio Code, and this new window will appear. So here you can see the green progress bar. This is running, and it will not take much time, only 2-3 minutes is enough to complete the installation for this component. So we are waiting for the completion of this progress bar. So guys, the component is done, and installer just picked up the new tasks for installing the Java extensions. So Java extensions are installed successfully, and finally we got this window. Here's the message completion setup wizard, and wizard has finished the installation of the components on your system. Okay, and there's options if you want to launch the Visual Studio Code immediately, so you can check this item, otherwise you can leave it unchecked. Okay, and now I'm going to launch this. So I have checked this one, and will click on this finish button. Okay, now it is going to be launched on my desktop. Okay, here we are. So guys, this is the home of Visual Studio Code. So here we have lots of options. So here's a start section, so you can start with the new file, you can start writing some code. Also on the right hand side there's the option of customize, so we can customize this ID as per our requirement. If we are working on a JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, PHP, Docker, and lots of extension we can include, and we can set up this ID for the development. Also we have some settings and key bindings, and on the left hand side there's a help section. So lots of useful content is available here, so you guys can go through and explore it. Okay, okay guys, so this was the installation process of Visual Studio Code on Windows 10, and I will bring the new video tutorial on the Visual Studio Code, in which I will show you how to kickstart with a Java project, and the basic functionality that we need to develop the Java project in the Visual Studio Code. So I will include all this stuff in my next tutorial on Visual Studio Codes. So I hope you guys found this video useful. So guys, please like this video and share with your friends as well. And guys, please subscribe my channel. Also press the notification bell icon. So guys, you will get the latest video updates on time. And thanks for now, and keep watching Cool IT Help.